Hello my friends, welcome to another episode of Today. Just imagine we are living in the world where cars just boom. Even human beings, they just move like boom. Oh my friends, it's not good to say, but anyway, that is what we are so far as Filmora editors. When you animate an object, it just go like that without any change of speed. But with presets, it is not like that. Okay, let's check it out. Let's see the difference between the presets animations and how does the keyframe custom animation animates. By the way, this video is meant to teach you how you can ease in and ease out your keyframes in Wondershare Filmora and make your animations much more smooth, just as you have seen on the thumbnail and title. We want to do our best in Filmora to replicate that ease in and ease out effect of Premiere Pro. Now let me continue this comparison between the presets animations and the custom animations, just for a little background to let you understand the problem that we have before you try to bring up a solution. Now I'm going to animate this object right here from the presets. Now double click your file and go to animations. Right here, choose this other option right here, and after that I'm going to scroll down and maybe choose this one right here. Okay, let's preview. Now let me do the same thing with the keyframes. Now here is the keyframe animation. You can find out that there's a difference right here. The first animation is going smoothly, but this other one is no change of speed at any point. So why is it so? The main reason is we don't have an option to ease in or ease out the keyframes that we make in Filmora so far. Now guys, before I show you this trick of mine, just bear in mind that Wondershare Filmora team are a good people. They bring up new updates with new features almost every month, and that means they are capable of bringing this feature as well. So if you see like this feature is useful to our projects as Wondershare Filmora editors, you can go on the help tab right here and suggest a feature. And there you write ease in and out effect for keyframing. Now we want to achieve something like this. Instead of doing this, so this is how you're going to do it. Drag down your video or even an object that you want to apply this effect on. Identify the frame that you want to start the effect or the frame that you want to add the first keyframe on. For me, it's right here. So I will go to transform tab and add a transform keyframe right here. And after some few seconds, for me, this long is enough. Then I increase the values of the scale right here. And of course, I would like my subject to keep on the center of the frame, so I'm going to do some adjustment like here, like this. Now the next thing for you to do right here is very simple again. Move your playhead straight to the frame of the first keyframe, and here you must split your video. And you move again to the frame of the last keyframe and split the video again. And that means you now have 3 pieces of your video. Now what you're going to do right here is to select the middle part, and what you're going to do right here is to go to the speed, and right here you go to the speed ramping. So the first thing that you are going to do right here to make up this effect come out right is to delete these other 2 points right here and only leave the one on the middle on the center. So I will delete this one and also delete this one as well. So now after I have done that, I'll just reduce the first point a little bit, not too much but just a little bit, and also reduce the one on the end. And after that I'll slightly raise up the middle point and also slightly move it to the right. So the main issue right here guys, the videos are different, the clips are different, so the main issue is to play around and checking the preview and seeing which one is working better. So after shifting these points around, I finally realized that this one is doing the best, and here is the actual preview. Thank you so much guys for watching. You can subscribe and share the content to your friends, and you can check out more tutorials from this playlist.